This is the unboxing video of JBL C100 SI model in-ear earphones. So let's unbox this model. um, I purchased this package from Amazon for 800 rupees, 800 Indian rupees. Okay, this is the package and how it comes. Here we are getting the user manual from JBL and some documentation, as well as the extra earphone knobs. In here we are getting extra 2 pairs, and one has fitted to the earphone already. So let's take this out. And yeah, we can see. Okay, let me show you the build quality. This is like thick rubber material. The material is good, but it doesn't have like small lines on that one. Like it won't twist. Like we cannot say that it won't get twisted. This will get twisted because it is not like just Sony XB50 or that type of earphones. But for the price, it do worth it, the build quality. And you can see the 3.5mm jack here. It is pretty good. It is I think copper plated or maybe gold plated, so it is okay. So let's open it up and to see how much longer it is. Yeah, it's having quite long distance, so it won't be a problem for you to hold the earphones in your ear and put your phone in the pocket. It won't be a problem. So it's like this. So audio quality will be, I will tell later on in the next video about the audio quality of this one. Yeah, thank you very much. This is the unboxing video of JBL C100 SI in-ear earphones. Thank you.